Let's go,
Straight
baby!
to the abyss.
To the hole with you!
Wait, I still have to spit? Oh, I don't.
Let's get real
No.
introspective.
You just don't
regarding
instantly
your scores.
perish. This is so dumb.
You're ready to win this one.
Not fair.
Tiny traveler.
I'm beating
it
Leafus
just
by
hasn't-
like
It's
50.
landed on me once. It's landed on me twice, and both times I shared the points.
Oh, twice? Oh, lucky you. It's
I
literally
agree.
none.
I've lined up some questions.
Mario on Thursday was review on mobile. I'm sorry for y'all. Oh man,
That or
Which of
this.
these cities is closer
it's closest to the
Oh, I don't
North
know any of
Pole.
these.
We're talking true North Pole, not that rotten, lying, magnetic North Pole. How about a bigger score than last time? Would that be wrong?
What?
When you tap the right answer and it makes that little ding sound, that's actually
got
me making that
zero.
noise. I have a little device next to me.
How?
That's unfortunate.
No, I messed up. I put China instead of Scotland. I think we're cooked. Oh, we're done for. We're done for. We are done for. We are cooked.
We got Captain Nerd over here, 14 points.
Captain Weefus. Captain
16.
Nerd.
16 points.
It was just like 4 countries
I got
that kept getting
7.
swapped.
I got 7 of them.
Have another one.
It was like China, New Zealand, Cuba, Alaska, Canada, and you just know off country which one's higher.
Yeah.
Which of these musical talents signed
You didn't get
with
between
Motown
Norway and
Records?
Iceland?
No.
I did!
Sometimes
No, I think I
imagine
did. I think
myself
that's the only
growing
one I
hands
got
with
wrong.
Fingers on them, so I can tap the correct answers just like you.
I'm with
What's on
Motown. Who?
Oh, Crispy got deleted, huh?
I'm guessing these.
There's so many things to tap right now. I couldn't even find them on your device without scrolling. Oh, God. What the heck
Cool,
was I
submit.
thinking?
I definitely got this wrong.
I'm just going. I'm like good.
Joanne Fabrics, why not?
Who is Joanne Fabric? Is it a clothing
Only a few
company?
seconds
Yeah,
left,
that is a
so make
clothing
it
company.
count,
Music?
okay?
I don't know, maybe. Maybe they did, Harry.
Good. Now feast your
I
eyes
probably
on
got
these juicy
90% of
answers.
these wrong.
Harry, they didn't. Harry, they didn't.
Hey,
wow.
hey! Wow, that's a lot of people sharing high score.
Yeah.
You're at 8?
Hey, I hit
You have all the
20k!
points you need now.
Oh,
The
good.
next
You
spin
deserve
that gives
bad
you
things to
points
happen to
can
you.
win the game.
Who's deleting these
Scores got my
messages?
attention.
Who just deleted Faith's message?
Mia?
Mama Mia did? Why did Mama Mia time someone
Oh,
out?
yeah.
The power slice
For
goes
10
hand in
minutes.
That message,
hand.
Jesus!
Answer this one numerically.
What'd they do?
Oh, good.
How many phases of the moon are there? Use the keypad on
Got
your
it.
device to enter a
Same.
number and then tap submit. Get nice
Got
and
that
close to the
immediately.
answer if you want to win.
Yeah, I got it too.
No, me and Harry, just as soon as it started,